Supra Clean. Dating 550, 475 SRP na lang.
Sakit ng ulo, lagnat. Sakit ng ulo, binat. Sakit ng ulo na may kasabay na lagnat. Sakit ng katawan o dulot ng binat. Diskartihan ang sabay-sabay na sakit. Diskarting Rexidol Forte. Mas bilis banat sa apat. Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Unilab yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is a generic name of Rexidol Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Life refreshingly sweet with Senegal flavored beer. Minsan sabaw na feeling. Call someone sweet and refreshing. Life refreshingly sweet with Senegal flavored beer. Oh, let's bang araw at ang feeling ay sad. We don't like that. Friends you can refresh, so enjoy lahat. Be all life.
Mary's here. Make life refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer. Available in apple, lemon, and lychee for only 38 pesos SRP per bottle. Drink responsibly.
Bili na ng San Miguel flavored beer. Swak sa budget at 38 pesos SRP lang. Available in apple, lemon, and lychee flavors. Kaya no need to mix. Drink responsibly.
Masakit ang ulo ko.
Greg, may work pa. I-Biogesic mo na yan.
Gamot agad? Baka may side effects.
Iba ang Biogesic. Most doctor-prescribed brand sa sakit ng ulo at lagnat.
Aba,
Maingat nga.
Jody Santa Maria po. Sa sakit ng ulo o lagnat, Biogesic agad. Alagang Unilab yan. Paracetamol is a generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Andito na ang pinakabago, mas pinabilis at mas pinamurang fiber plan ng Asian Vision na siguradong patok at swak sa budget nyo. Magpa-connect at mag-upgrade na ng Fiber 899 with up to 20 Mbps fiber internet speed at Fiber 1499 with up to 120 Mbps internet speed. At sa parehong presyo, may nakabundle pang Cat V. Yanong sulit, diba? Kaya apply na sa pinagkakaguluhan at pinag-uusapang sulit bundle ng Fiber at Cat V. Bisitahin ang Asian Vision Broadband sa Facebook at www.asianvision.com.ph para sa karagdagang detalye.
Think of one thing that's common in tricycles, jeepneys, and buses. Common in malls, bazaars, and stalls, bungalows, condos, and apartments. In your office, in your bedroom. It's in every MP3, MP4 players, and even in your cell phones. It's amazingly common all over. It's like there's no escaping it. Now think, what is this one thing? And think what it can do for you.
advertise on Love Radio. Call on 710-6534. Love Radio,
where advertising works.
Naka-love ka pa ba?
Oo naman!
Gusto mo bang manalo ng cash?
Yes!
Sali na sa Love Radio's Huli Cash! Huli Cash! Huli Cash! Mag-tune in sa 100.7 Love Radio at magpahuling naka-love. Baka andyan lang kami sa tabi-tabi. At pag ikaw ang natapatan naming naka-Love Radio, Huli Cash!
Wow!
Huli Cash mula sa 100.7 Love Radio.
Hinig na!
Ikaw, para sa'yo, what is love?
Willing to sacrifice, but easy at the same time.
Yung bigla ka nalang napapangiti pag naisip mo siya.
Bumiyahe ng 8 oras para mag-surprise ng taong hindi sigurado.
Hindi ko siya maipaliwanag kung saan na lang siyang nararamdaman.
Love is full of sacrifice and compromise.
Dear Love, araw-araw sa Love Radio mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, nationwide.
Salamat po dahil gawa niyo po kami ulit po number 1 po. Number 1 po ulit ang Love Radio po.
Sa haba na ng pinagsamahan natin, parang bata pa rin kaming nananabik, natutuwa at nagagalak sa tuwing kami ay inyong pinapa-number 1. Thank you. Thank you.
From the latest Kantar Media Radio Survey.
Number 1 na naman ang Love Radio.
Number 1 for more, for more, for more, for more. Always your number 1 FM radio station. Love Radio.
It's the Sunday morning flashback of the hits you've been singing along with. Listen and relive the memories. The Jukebox Hits. The Jukebox Hits.
Love Radio.